Oh, there's Matt. And I just tried to pour myself a root beer.
Freezing cold. A t-shirt in Antarctica. The shirt freezes.
No! Look at this! What? Look at this shirt!
Sonnenschutzmittel aufzutragen. Oh Mann.